Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can see who viewed your TikTok videos. Most times when you post a TikTok video on TikTok, you get thousands of views, but you don't get to see those persons who actually viewed those videos that you're posting. The only thing TikTok will get to show you are those who gave you a like, those who commented, and those who reposted. But recently, TikTok has brought out a feature which will enable you to see those who are viewing your TikTok videos. And that's what I want to show you guys. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step that you have to take is to make sure that your TikTok app is the updated version. What you have to do is to go over to Play Store, then you search for TikTok. When you search for TikTok, you're going to see whether it is updated or not updated. You get me? If it's not updated, you're going to see an icon showing update. As you can see now, my TikTok app is not updated. All I have to do now is to tap on update, then it will get updated. Making sure you have the latest version of TikTok will enable you to see those who viewed your TikTok videos. Because if your TikTok is outdated, you won't be able to have that post view feature. So guys, let me tap on update to get mine updated. Let's wait for it to get updated. So guys, I finished updating my own TikTok app. If yours is not updated, you won't see that update option there. You will just see open. So guys, let me go ahead to open my own TikTok since I've updated it. So guys, once you launch your TikTok app, the next step you need to take is to tap on your TikTok profile, which is at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. Then you tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see that at the top, you tap on it. Then you tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it. Then under settings and privacy, you tap on privacy, which is the second option. Tap on it. Then you scroll downwards. Then you will see where it is written post views. This post views option is what will enable you to see those who viewed your TikTok videos. When you toggle this feature on, you'll be able to see those who viewed all your TikTok videos. But when this is toggled off, you won't be able to see those who viewed your TikTok videos. Let me tap on it to show you what I mean. Tap. So guys, as you can see, my post view history is toggled on. Let me read what is written here. Allow people you follow to see that you viewed their post and see which followers viewed your post. Post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post date. That means you'll be able to see those who viewed your TikTok videos within 7 days, within the first 7 days that you posted the video. So guys, just make sure that this post view history is toggled on. If yours is toggled off, just go ahead to toggle it on. Let me toggle it on and off so you see how it works. I've toggled it off. Now it's toggled on back. So guys, that being said, let me go and show you guys what I mean by what I've said all this while. So guys, let me go over to the video I recently posted. Let me tap on it. You can see it at the top. Tap on it. So guys, this is the video I posted recently on my TikTok channel. You can see below there where it is written views. It is written I've gotten 137 views. If you tap on it now, you'll be able to see those who have viewed your TikTok video. This particular TikTok video, you'll be able to see those who have viewed it. So let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's loading up. As you can see now, it's showing me that 2 persons have viewed it. Why you can only see 2 out of 437 is because these 2 people that viewed this TikTok video, they've toggled on their post view. For those who toggled on their post view feature, I'll be able to see all their names here. Let's read what is written here. Some viewers won't be shown due to their account settings. Like I've said, those who have not toggled on their post view feature, like I showed you earlier on, their names would be appearing here. Only the names of those who toggled their own post view option and have viewed this picture will be appearing here. I've been able to show you guys what it means to see those who are viewing your TikTok videos. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever we release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.